So every once in a while, you get a client or a potential client that calls the office, and they just don't have the funds. And some of the things that they tell you or they share with you are just, it can pull at your heartstrings. Um, but then there's that voice: "You've been scammed before. Don't do it. They're not gonna pay." Right? These people have been charged. There's something going on in their life. They've gotten into trouble. Their credit's probably not the worst. Their word probably, isn't the same as, your pastor or your preacher, right? But I try to go with that, we don't judge, we defend sort of mentality that, I'm here not just to make a living, but to help people. I've been given a gift and I want to help people. But that street side of me, man, they're gonna take you. You're gonna do all the work. You're not gonna get paid, Roger. Rah, rah, rah. It's in my ear. Don't do it. And every time I do something, every time I do an extended payment plan, or every time I've given someone the benefit of the doubt, every single time I've been screwed. Right? Every time. Mr. Foley, this happened. My child's sick. My grandmother passed away. The expense. There's so many different things, and they're all, I believe that they're all true stories. But I always seem to get gypped. So what do? 3 weeks ago, someone called my office, and they just had a heart. It just pulled. The wife was so nice on the phone, and we're just, we don't have it. Um, I broke my rule again, damn it. I broke my rule and I said, you know what? I'm going to trust. I'm going to have faith, right? I'm going to believe that you are, a man and a woman of of honor, and you're going to pay me back. So their court case was the actual next day. So I had to file a continuance. I couldn't get on the case and do it that quickly anyway, and I had conflicts. So today I did the case. I finished the case. I got the case dismissed. I got the warrant dismissed. The case is over. Everything's done. And again, the folks seem like really nice people. And the little voice, Roger, don't be a dumbass. Don't be a dumbass. They're not going to pay you. Something else is going to come up. Then the good side of me, right? The one that, right? All things, right? I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, right? Then there's that positive voice in my mind. Giving you a gift, help some people out. You have so many blessings, Roger. Appreciate them and do for other. He's gonna rob you. They're gonna take food out of your mouth. I go through this, and I know I'm just cuckoo, but I go through this all the time. So I did it. And I guess we're going to find out if these folks pay me when the income tax return comes. Sad case, and ultimately it worked out. But let's hope that we get paid. Right? I gotta pay the staff. I gotta pay the rent. I gotta pay everything. And if you do too many favors, you can't do it. So this isn't a video about doing favors. This is a video about how certain people can touch you. And although it's a business, sometimes you got to put the business aside for a second and give it a try. But if you're watching this video and you're thinking that I'm going to do your case for free, it's not happening. So anyway, I just wanted to share sort of a thing that comes up every once in a while. Everyone calls, hey, could you help? Do you do pro bono work? I do pro bono work in my own way. Each year I'll cut a fee, or I will volunteer my time to help someone I see in an open courtroom that's got a dilemma, and I've done that dozens of times. Well, I don't know, dozens of times. I don't keep a count. For all I know, it was 3 times. But I take a lot of calls. I give free advice on the telephone, and I spend time. The most valuable commodity that I have as an attorney is my time, and I do give that away a lot. But I don't just do cases for free. It's too complex. But I took a chance on these folks, and let's see. I'll probably give you an update in a month to see if which voice won out, which one was correct. But I'm hoping for the good voice, the positive spirit that believes that there's good in everybody. You just have to peel some layers like an onion. So we'll everyone's got good, and I always say that. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I think of people like an onion. You know, everyone has good in them. So how many layers of that onion? Some people, a goodness is apparent right on the top level, and some people you gotta, yeah, there's not much left. The onion that starts off like this turns out like this size. So anyway, that's my blog for today. Have a great day. I'm Roger P. Foley. Thanks for checking me out. Bye bye.